We are using HTML5. We've told the browser we're using HTML5 by putting a doc type at the beginning. And HTML5 includes more input types than 4 and earlier did. And one of them, instead of type text, we can just say type equals number. And on some devices, that would actually use a different keyboard. And on most devices, all devices that support HTML5, it'll stop you from putting something that's not a number in there. So let's just change input type equals number on age. Refresh the page. Let's try typing something else. Age pancakes. Oh, can't do it. Age 67, E67. Ooh, I think it will let me do like a hexadecimal number or something, or an exponent. Let's see. Can't do that. Can I do? I can't do 0x for hex, but I can do E. That's interesting. Yeah, so you can do, okay, so I could say, yeah, times 10 to the power of something. Interesting. But anyway, it has to be a number. Yeah. So it's not perfect, but hey, you can also use these little sliders if you're into that kind of thing. Whee! Whee! Cool. That seems nice. That's worth doing. It's a small thing, but it is a change. And it's nice to make your commits basically as small as possible. If you make a thing work that wasn't there before, go ahead and commit. Because again, you could get into that situation where you make a million changes and you want to get back to when things worked. And if things worked after you finished that thing, you'd like to be able to go back there. Plus, when looking through your history, you just like to see it step by step, see it broken down. And part of the reasons I make my repositories available is so you can look through my history later and actually make some sense of it. If you want to see how I just put each username in its own paragraph, you can just browse the repository at that time by clicking here, or you can just see the diff for that. And you'll see I removed this line, added this line, and that's all I had to do. I just changed text content in HTML and added the paragraph tags. So, did I actually do it? No. Use a number input for age. Groovy.